Hi there, I will show you how to make a stand in Please Donate. Firstly, once you launch the game, you'll need to find a vacant stand that can be claimed. This can be done by holding the E key and you'll claim it. If the account you use is new enough, it might ask to go through a tutorial, and it's quite handy as it'll give you the exact link we'll be going over in just a moment. But for right now, let's focus on setting the booth up to your liking. You can see the booth right here, and by holding the E key again, it'll allow you to edit it. There's the booth section, where if you have Robux on your account, you can buy a nicer design. Next up is text, where you can title your stand anything you'd like. There's also customization options like the font you can change, the color, the stroke. There's a lot to choose from, but returning to that link we just went over, you'll need to go to it on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, basically any web browser. I'll leave it in the description just in case. We're going to set up a game pass that people can donate to. You'll need to upload any picture that's not against Roblox TOS, and then come up with any name and a small description explaining the pass. Afterwards, you'll click on Create Pass. Now, if you get this error message, you might have to change the picture as I did, and it worked perfectly fine. But we still got one more thing to do. Now let's click on our newly created pass and go to the Sales tab. You'll toggle on Item for Sale, add the amount. I put 2 Robux, and then click Save Changes. When reopening Roblox, you'll need to close and relaunch the game so everything can update. Then set up another booth, and you'll see your pass right here. If you want more than one game pass on your booth, then you can repeat the process we just went over. But that's how you make a stand in Please Donate. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more tutorials on Roblox.